You might be wondering how to exactly use or take advantage of the surrounded new lock picking system. Well, this one is quite easy, but there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, in order for you to lock pick something like a vault or a door, you need to have what we call a lockpick. Now, a lockpick here, usually you could get this from, let's just say, drops from zombies or from mobs here, or from general loot. Sometimes I get this from boxes like these ones, or like on shelves, so you may want to check those. But yeah, so once you do have them, you want to go and just open up a lock that you may want to open. Now, the new lock picking system here requires you to have lock picks. Now, lock picks here would actually break depending on how you use it. So how do you exactly lock pick? Well, what you need to do is you want to go and use your mouse, so you can go and move this left or right. So move it left or right. As you can see, it's going to move. And if you use the D key on your keyboard, that would basically see if your lock picking is good. Now, if you do notice some tension, like for example, your lock pick here is wiggling, as you can see right now, it's wiggling at the very end. You may want to change the position, like on the left side. Try that. Move it on the left side again and see. Now let's go move it to the right and see if there's no more tension. Right again. So tension. Move it to the right again until it actually goes through to the last section. As you can see, move it again and it's going to open, and voila. So yeah, so this one is quite easy. You just need to make sure that you don't break your lockpick. It's kind of hard to find if you're going to find it, but you'll naturally find one as you play the game. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.